We are making a comforting and flavorful cabbage curry with crisp sweetness of cabbage and earthy goodness of winter vegetables. This hearty, perfectly spiced dish is ideal for cozy, warming meals. In a kadhai, heat mustard oil until it reaches its smoking point for that distinctive earthy aroma. Once the oil is hot, add a bay leaf, a dry red chili, and whole cumin seeds, letting them sizzle and release their flavors into the oil. Toss in some diced potatoes and fry over medium heat for 2 minutes. This step infuses the potatoes with the fragrant spices and giving them a delightful depth of flavor. Next, we will add in cubed beetroots and carrots. Continue frying for 2 more minutes, allowing the natural sweetness of the vegetables to come out and enhance the curry. Now, introduce the thinly sliced and washed cabbage into the pan. Add it in batches, frying each batch over high heat. As each portion of your cabbage builds, add more. This prevents overcrowding of the pan and ensures even cooking. So you might be thinking, how long should I cook my cabbage? Cook until the moisture from the cabbage dries up, which helps avoid a soggy curry. Next, stir in ginger paste and chopped tomatoes. Fry for 2 minutes on high heat until the tomatoes start to turn tender. Then we will spice it up with some cumin powder, coriander powder, spicy chili powder, turmeric powder, and Kashmiri chili powder for the vibrant color. Stir everything together and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes and let the spices seep in. This enhances the flavors beautifully. Then add a touch of sugar to enhance the sweetness of the vegetables and balance the spices. Toss in fresh peas for the burst of freshness, salt to taste, and about 1/4 cup of water. Give it a good mix and then cover the pan and cook over medium heat for 5 minutes, allowing the carrots and beets to soften fully. Remember to stir occasionally for even cooking. Uncover the pan and dry out any excess moisture over high heat. This step gives the curry a perfect texture without mashing the vegetables. Finally, finish with a sprinkle of garam masala and a dollop of ghee for rich aromatic flavor. Serve this vibrant, comforting cabbage curry hot with steamed rice, chapati or paratha. It's a deliciously wholesome meal, perfect for chilly days. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!